Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthiac, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop down below, as well as our freebies, so you can grab them if you'd like. Today I'm cash stuffing my savings challenges from our S&C Budget Creation shop. All of these savings challenges you can find down below. So let's count up what we are working with today. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, that's so cool because I like it. Okay, I'm just going to mix these dollars up and we are going to roll the dice, and whichever number the dice lands on is going to get 2 bills. All right, so I believe for these savings challenges, I only have one roll and save, and the rest are just regular. Whatever amount it gets is the number of circles I'm coloring in, or whatever image is there. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Okay. Number 6. And number 6 looks like it is my roll and save. Number 4. Number 5. Number 2. Number 1. Number 4. Perfect. That went very, very quickly. I've been trying to make sure that I'm not putting myself in a position where I'm not enjoying saving, no matter how much money it is, because from $1 to whatever amount you're saving, it all adds up. So don't be discouraged because I was thinking, oh, it's $20 enough. It turns out I had $22 and it's plenty. So I think just putting forth the effort to save something is worthwhile. Okay, so I grabbed my Sharpie, but I don't need that one. I'm going to color this one in. We are going to color in 2, 3, 4, 5 bucks is what we got today. And let's go with green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this beauty is from our tattoo collection. Hopefully that's dry. All right, so our mermaid is getting $3 today. And I think we're going to need 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right, number 3 is our Melanin Spring collection, and she's not getting anything today. Number 4 got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, which is awesome because this savings challenge is our soft girl era, and there are numbers listed here. Let's do the 4 and the 5. So we have 4 and 5. Because I believe we said $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Okay. So I'm not even certain how much this one's going to save me, but it does have numbers there. All right. Number 5 is getting $2, which is our Coffee and Puppies savings challenge. And shall we do? Let's do orange. I said $2. Yes. 1 and 2. And I'm not even certain you can see that on screen. Should we grab a darker color and see how that goes? Yeah, probably can see that better. All right, so we got $2. All right, and then number 6 is a roll and save, and we're putting $3 into this one today. All right, we've gone ahead and stuffed all 22 of our dollars today into our savings challenges from our shop, linked down below. So if you're interested in any of them, feel free to grab it. And then also there is a discount code listed below if you're interested in using that code. Sometimes we have sales, really good sales in our shop. We try to run them pretty often, so that way people aren't afraid to save because they don't have money to purchase savings challenges. I myself don't have the money to purchase savings challenges, but I really feel confident that there's a way to save. If it's not in your budget to buy savings challenges, by all means skip that part. There's plenty of freebies. But if you are able to support a small business on Etsy, there are plenty of us that are making savings challenges that may work out for you. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.